Hey YouTube, it's ICU, and today is a very exciting day because the evaders have finally released their untethered jailbreak for iOS 7, which functions on iOS 7.0, 7.0.1, 7.0.2, 7.0.3, and 7.0.4 for all iOS devices, including the iPhone 4, the iPhone 4S, the iPhone 5, the iPhone 5S, the iPhone 5C, the iPad 2, the third generation iPad, the fourth generation iPad, the iPad Air, the iPad Mini, the second generation iPad Mini, and the fifth generation iPod Touch. I actually ran through the entire jailbreak process before creating this video, so as you can see I have Cydia on my iPad Air. So again, this is very exciting, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 7 devices using Evasion 7. So I'm going to demonstrate with the iPhone 5S in this tutorial, and you can tell it's an iPhone 5S because I can simply unlock it using my finger. And I'm going to go inside of the settings application, general, about, and show you guys again that this is on iOS 7.0.4. As you can see down below at the bottom for the version, it does confirm that this is an iPhone 5S on iOS 7.0.4. Alright, now without any further ado, let's go ahead and proceed with this jailbreak. What you're going to need for it is just Evasion 7. And I'll have a link to an article on my site down below in the more info that not only contains written instructions, but also download links for Evasion 7 for both OS X and Windows-based users. Alright, and when you double click it on OS X, you should get a window like this, and you can just drag Evasion 7 to your desktop or run it directly from that window. I'm just going to double click it to open it. It's asking me if I'm sure I want to open this application that's been downloaded from the internet, and of course I'm just going to click open anyway. And now from here, all you have to do is connect your device to your computer via a USB cable. So I'm just going to do that now with my iPhone 5S here. And once you do, it will automatically detect what type of device you have connected. So I'm just going to zoom in and then we'll continue with this tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, Evasion 7 even confirms that it's an iPhone 5S GSM model running iOS 7.0.4. And now I'm just going to click jailbreak. And I'm going to leave the phone up on the screen just to show you guys approximately how long this should take. Again, nothing really exciting should happen right now. It's just sending some of the jailbreak data to the iPhone 5S here, and then we will be able to continue. Just rely on some of the prompts that you receive inside of Evasion 7, and again, leave it connected and do not touch either the home or power buttons at this point. As long as it's unlocked, you are safe to continue. And now I'm just going to let this part play through. And as you can see, it even switched over to another page here with Evasion 7 down below at the bottom. Now that is going to be an important application in the jailbreak process, and you're just going to have to rely on what you see inside of the Evasion tool because it will tell you to open it at a certain point. Now, however, do not open it and just leave your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch where it's at. All right, now it's actually rebooting the iPhone 5S here, and that's fine. Again, as you can see inside of the evasion utility, it says rebooting device. All right, now inside of Evasion, it says to continue, please unlock and tap the new Evasion 7 icon. Now that's what I was talking about earlier. Evasion placed a new icon on your device, and you're going to have to tap that before you can continue. So mine is on my second to last page here. As you can see, it says Evasion 7, and we're going to tap it now. And then it should just proceed inside the utility itself, and it will continue with the jailbreak process. All right, now it's saying to continue, please unlock your device. So I'm going to wait for my iPhone 5S to come back up here, and I'm just going to enter the passcode really quick. All right, and once you unlock it, it should continue inside of Evasion, and it's almost done. As you can see, it's just rebooting for a final time. Once it comes back up, it will be done. It will actually go through somewhat of an Evasion screen here on the iPhone in just a second. Don't worry, that's completely normal. After it finishes that, you will have Cydia on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. As you can see, this is what I was talking about earlier. So it's just giving you some information down below at the bottom, below the Evasion logo. You don't really have to pay attention to it though, because again, this is just a one-time thing. Once it finishes the first time, it won't actually complete this step again. And you will be able to reboot your device free of a computer too. So this is not a tethered jailbreak. Again, this is an untethered jailbreak, meaning you can reboot your device whenever you want without the assistance of a utility such as Evasion 7. So I'm just going to close out of this and enter my passcode again. All right, so now as you can see on the second to last page, in Evasion 7 spot, we now have Cydia. So when you first open it up, it's just saying that it will prepare the file system and Cydia will exit once it's complete. Now it's going to respring, but this may take some time, and that's because it doesn't actually do this step on the computer. So just give it some time. Do not exit yourself. Just let everything play through, and Cydia, again, will close once it's complete. All right, so there you have it. It did finish and it's just respringing the 5S now. Once it does, it should come back up, and I'm going to show you guys that again I have Cydia, and Cydia does confirm that this is an iPhone 5S running on 7.0.4. So of course, now going over to Cydia, I'm just going to select that I'm a user and continue. And now scrolling down to the bottom reveals that this is an iPhone 6,1 on iOS 7.0.4 running Cydia 1.1.8. And 6,1 is just the name that iTunes and Apple use to refer to their devices. And also really quick, just to show you guys, you can even go down to the Manage tab, Sources, Edit, Add, and you can add your sources. Be careful though, because not all of the packages have been updated to support iOS 7. So some packages you install may force you to restore your device and start again. So just keep that in mind, and also note that Apple should release an updated firmware to patch evasion in the very near future. Alright, and if you guys like this video and if it helped you jailbreak your device, whether it be an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, and you want a chance to enter to win a $100 Amazon gift card in this video, just be sure to rate it up and leave a relevant comment down below in the comment section. Once your comment's been posted, you'll be automatically entered to win. And of course, don't forget to visit freeapplife.com inside of Safari on your device for a chance to download sponsored applications, earn points, and redeem said points for various prizes such as application codes on Apple's App Store, gift cards, and more. You'll also be able to enter multiple giveaways on the service. Alright, and that's it for now. If you guys want to be updated more often, such as when I release new videos, just be sure to follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook. And until next time, this is ICU, signing out.